You can get clean multicolor prints on a single extruder printer using one simple method: a planned pause at a specific layer in your slicer. No AMS, no mods, just correct setup. Every model is built layer by layer, so a color change works best where you have a clear, flat layer transition: text, logos, inlays, raised details. In the slicer, you use that to your advantage. You load the model, switch to the layer preview, and scroll until you see the moment where the new color should start. Remember that exact layer number or height, that is your switch point. Now, how to set it up in different slicers. In Prusa Slicer, Super Slicer, Bamboo Studio, and Orca Slicer, you set a pause on the chosen layer or insert an M600 filament change command at that layer. In Ultimaker Cura, you add a post-processing script like pause at height and set the exact layer or Z height where the printer must stop. In Idea Maker, you use add pause at height and define the Z height for the stop. Remember, you are changing colors, not materials. Do not mix PLA with PETG or ABS in a single multi-layer print. Differences in temperature and shrinkage lead to poor adhesion, cracks, and delamination. Mix PLA with PLA, PETG with PETG, ABS with ABS, ideally within similar temperature ranges. Plan color changes on solid layers, not on thin bridges or tiny isolated islands. You start the print as usual. It builds up layer by layer until it reaches the planned pause. The printer stops and moves the nozzle away from the model. At this point, you remove the old filament, insert the new filament of the same material type, and purge until a clean, stable color is extruding. Cut off the excess filament so nothing drags across the part. Do not push or pull the print bed or the tool head by hand to avoid shifting layers. When the nozzle is clean, you resume the print from the panel. The printer continues exactly from where it left off, now in the new color. At the end, you show the finished model, a clear, sharp color separation, achieved only by one planned pause in the slicer and a controlled manual filament swap.